Okay, so this morning we have an E-Class Mercedes, and it's actually got a fault I'm going to show you right now. Okay, the fault we got is we've got blind spot assist inoperative, and if you go into the RS, and this has got outer rear intelligent radar system, go into fault code, and it says communication with radar sensor number 4 has a malfunction. It's current installed, and the actual fault code is U150487, and that is what we're going to diagnose and fix today. Okay, the positions of them are in the bumper, and where are they? And where they are is they're positioned here, behind there, and behind there. Okay, so you've got to take the bumper off. You're going to need one of these at least, and that's to get the bumper off. Okay, now I know it's this one, alright, and I'll show you later on. This one's number 4, so I'm going to take it. This one is number 3, and then if Mercedes are true, this one would be number 2, and the near side one will be number 1. But if anyone else can tell me that, that's just common sense just coming out in order. Right, I'll take this bumper off and I'll show you what I've already seen. Okay, leave it with us. Okay, just a quick hint. On this model, which is 2018 on, you've actually got to take it off here because there's a nut there. So if you took it off there, you still couldn't get that out, so you're going to have to take the headlights out on this one. But there's some good videos out there, and they're roughly all the same to actually get them off. But this one's a crafty one. They've actually got, and it is tight, so be really careful, really careful, because you can damage stuff. So yeah, take your time. Right, let's go and have a look at my problem then, shall we? Okay, so these are the tools we're going to use. Wire cutters, going to clean everything up. This is going to be for gluing up this bit here. Obviously soldering iron. Now this is the people who we ordered this connector off. I'll give them a plug. I've only got one complaint, and it's not nothing that I can't fix, but in the ends here you haven't actually weatherproofed them, and these get covered in crap, and that was the reason why it was fixed in there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some rubber tape in there, and that's going to stop it. But if no one says nothing, you don't know, do you? So right, my next point now is to cut these out. As you can see, this one's got 6 wires because it's got 6 wires on there, and this one only needs 4. So we're going to solder these in and glue this all up, and then hopefully it's going to work. Right, carry on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to clean it up because it's got, as I say, I'm hoping the glue's going to stick to where they've tried to plastic glue it. Right, fingers crossed. Okay, what we're going to do, get the old glue gun. Looks like all of them are about to come off. Luckily it's dirty because I can measure it up to where it needs to go. And the glue's coming through the holes where it was plastic welded. Right. Let that go off. Let's get some soldering done. Okay, got some heat shrink. Now my heat shrink has got glue inside it, so when you heat it up, the actual glue melts and then stops the moisture getting inside. It's a good little tip. And I've got them ready to be soldered up now. They're all in the right place because there's my reference. So little notch out there, which will go there, which is the 4 that go there. So what I've got to do now is solder these up, and we'll be laughing. Right, they won't come out. Let's get the old heat shrink done now. Okay, get the old heat on it. Okay, now the time comes. Testing time. Does it work? Doesn't it? But that's nice and solid now. And I did have to use some special sauce on that broken wire to get it back to that nice coppery colour. But anyway, looking good so far. Let's go and give it a go, shall we? 2 chances. Okay, right, got the bumper just slightly connected. I don't want to put it all back on again and find I've got to change this module. I haven't put any rubber glue on there yet, but I have actually taped it up, make it look pretty. So let's go and see what the scores on the door and the dashboard says, shall we? And see if I've got any codes on the actual on the scanner, and see if we fixed it. Okay, it's a winner chicken dinner. Right, there's the picture. As I say, it goes through, but normally it came up. There's other issues with this. It's got engine management on, and they didn't want that, so all I'm interested in this back, so that's fixed. I cleared the code on here and I've forgotten which one it is now, and it didn't come back either, so that's fixed. I didn't have to code it back in because it is codable, because it was the original unit, so I didn't have to do that either. So that's a fix. So hopefully if anyone comes across that, at least you know where they are now, and possibly you might not have an expensive job, it might be just a broken wire. So I've got the lovely job now of putting that back together again. Everyone have a great day, but I'm happy I fixed it. So this is another one out the door. See you later. Be good. Bye.